How to create and use folders for your triggers. Within the trigger section, when you have multiple triggers, you may want to start organizing them by folders in order to stay on top of the organization of all of the triggers for your business. Navigate to the triggers section and you'll see a list of all of the existing triggers that you have. In the top right corner where you can click to add a new trigger, you can also click to add a new folder. Here in this example, I have one folder for demo triggers, and then I have a list of about 7 or so additional triggers that are not within a folder. If I'd like to move an existing trigger into a folder, I can click the edit icon. From the drop-down on the right-hand side, I can choose to move it into a folder, and then I can choose the folder to add it to. When I'm creating a new trigger, I can always save it into a folder. And then within my demo triggers folder, I can drop down that tab in order to expand the folder and view all of the triggers that I have within that trigger folder. In the top right, when you go to add a new folder, a pop-up window will appear. You can choose a folder name and click Save, and then you'll see that folder appear, and then you can start adding triggers into that folder. Again, this is just a great way to help you stay organized as you increase the number of triggers that you have for your business. If you only have a few, you might not need a folder, but if you start to have 10 or 20 or 50, maybe you'll want to organize them into folders in order to stay as organized as possible so you can work efficiently. That's all for now, and you're all set.